What's up, what's up? This is What's Up EJ, and are you ready for some ultimate summer fun and excitement? Come on over here at Sahara Atrium Summer Escapade. So guys, come and join me and we're gonna explore Sahara Atrium Summer Escapade. So this is located at the East Atrium of Sahara Center. There's a lot of exciting shows, events, and activities happening over here at the big stage. And guys, I'm here with my friend, and he has this candy corner over here. So we're gonna check out all your favorite gummies and candies at the candy bar here at Sahara Atrium Summer Escapade. Okay, we're here at Jaico Taho. Andito po ang inyong OG Pinoy comfort food. And they also have a wide array of different taho. So marami pong pagpipilian, Jaico Taho. And guys, I'm here with my labubu. So Asher, what do we have in Pak Inasal?
Ayan, syempre Pak Inasal, nandito yung authentic Ilonggo cuisine na matitikman ninyo. Meron kaming inasal, of course. Ayan, syempre, at meron tayong palabok. Marami tayong mga rice meal like tapsilog. And of course, may halo-halo, bilo-bilo, anything. Mga street foods, dito lang yan sa Pak Inasal.
And guys, Dubai's favorite is already here in Sharjah. Dito yan sa Sahara Center, Sahara Atrium Summer Escapade. We have Apoy the Cup, your authentic Kapampangan cuisine. We also have the Bawang Gong Bites. And of course, C6 Station is here. Yung all-time favorite nating halo-halo, perfect for summer, is also here. Apoy the Cup's authentic Kapampangan cuisine. And we're here actually at the back of the stage of Sahara Atrium Summer Escapade. We have, what's your name? Liz. And nandito tayo sa Osaimi, yung authentic Yemeni and Emirati honeys. So, kung ako tatanungin, ano ang masasuggest mong honey na pampabeauty?
Pampabeauty naman, pampabeauty. Pero ito po, pinakamaganda sa atin. Wildflower honey and ito, Cedar Mountain honey.
Wow, Wildflower honey and Cedar Mountain honey. Dito lang yan sa Summer Escapade dito sa Sahara Atrium. Osaimi honey.
Osaimi, of course.
And we're here at Naderang, ang famous Kapampangan cuisine dito at the back of the stage of Sahara Atrium. Yan. And we have Miss Liberty. Hi, Miss Liberty. And sir, hi! Ano po bang meron sa Nadera?
Nadera is the home of Filipino Kakanin and Grill. So, nandito po kami ngayon sa Sahara and matitikman nyo lahat ng aming kakanin. From Pampanga, syempre.
Yan. Kasi nga sabi nila, pag Kapampangan,
Manyaman!
Happy Naderang! We're here at Mr. Cakes Gourmet Toast and Sauces, and meron silang bagong Pinoy-style bibimbap, something to look forward to. And of course, hindi mawawala ang ating mga paboritong Filipino street food. We have Mr. J over here. Hi, Mr. J. Please invite them over.
Hi po, please come and visit us here at Sahara Center, B2, located at B2, East Eden. See you all po.
And we're here at the Stir Fry and Dumplings Kiosk. Ito yan sa Sahara Atrium Summer Escapade. My good friend, Ryan, is here. Ryan, ano bang ine-expect natin sa Stir Fry and Dumplings?
Siyempre, masarap na po. Tapos yung mga food na pagka-order ka, hindi pa lang gagawin. Talagang fresh siya.
Ano bang meron sa Stir Fry?
Meron kami mga dumplings, mga yawsi, siomay, hakaw. Meron kami mga fried rice, may mga fried rice na mga noodles. Mga soup na rin.
Come on over sa Stir Fry and Dumplings. Guys, we're here at Panadero Bakery Shop, and originally from Alriga, now here in Sahara Center, Sharjah. Hi ate! Ano ba ang meron sa Panadero na matatagpuan natin from Alriga dito?
Nandito na po lahat ng yung hinahanap sa Alriga. Meron po tayo may dito lahat sa Alada. Punta na po kayo dito sa Sahara.
Kung ikaw ang tatanungin, ano ang paborito mong product ng Panadero?
Chicken empanada.
Favorite ko rin yan. Gutom tuloy ako.
Siya.
So ano pang inaantay nyo? Come on over and check out, buy your favorite Pinoy pastries and breads sa Panadero Bake Shop dito yan sa Sahara Atrium Summer Escapade.